going to the beach today. It is Bentley's 3rd birthday on Monday. We don't really have a lot that we could do. I was trying to find some things that we could do that weren't too expensive because he's only 3. He's not gonna, you know, remember this birthday. And yeah, the only thing I could come up with was going to the beach. We haven't been to the beach in a while. Yeah, so we haven't been to the beach in a while, and I just think it'd be something fun to do. Unfortunately, my husband cannot go because he, you know, has some, the manager of a small company. He has like shares in the company, and 3 people called in today, of course, like when we plan to do something, so he can't go, which I kind of wanted to just like scratch it, but Bentley said he still wanted to go to the beach, so I didn't want to ruin it just because, you know, my husband had to work, even though I want him to be part of it. But tomorrow, we can't really do anything for it because my husband's a diehard Chiefs fan, and, you know, he works 6 days a week, and, you know, he really looks forward to watching the Chiefs games, so I'm not gonna ruin that, you know, for him. So we'll just go today without him. But yeah, I really was talking about something, and then Lexi distracted me, so I'm gonna stop talking for a minute, and I'm going to get ready because it is already, I don't know what time it is. I woke up at 8:15, so it's probably almost 9, and if we can leave, it's 9:10, and we need to be out of the house by 9:10, huh? I'm gonna call my daughter real quick because she is over at her BFF's house. And yeah, I'll get with you guys later. Life of a 3-year-old. He just escaped the apartment because his grandma left and he wanted to go. But she's coming right back because she's going to the beach with us. Why are you so upset? It's your birthday weekend. I mean, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. We can't, like, we shouldn't be up. We shouldn't be tired, should we? Are you tired? Well, maybe you are tired, actually, because we went to bed late last night, and even though we got up at 8, maybe you need more than 8 hours of sleep. Say it's my birthday, and I'm going to be good. Okay? Poor little bit. Our day trip is not starting out well. It's 10:30, and we haven't even left yet. And they have colds. I see it. And they've been crying this whole time and fighting.
Leave me alone! Leave me alone!
And I have to get oil in my car. I'm highly frustrated.
What can we do to make you stop crying?
Do you guys want to watch YouTube videos? Gigi will give you one of your phones. Chloe will give you the other. I mean, I'll give you my phone.
Yeah, I'll go.
After I do my oil. My mom spilled coffee in my vehicle.
Totally by accident. Oh, I know you don't take care of your car. Yeah, right.
She doesn't anymore. She wrecked it. Now she doesn't care about her car.
This is not true.
But
I just detailed it.
My car is a $45,000 car.
Mine's a 34.
We're 10 minutes away.
Say hello.
Well,
Let's.
hi. It's my birthday.
We're taking pictures right when we get there, and then you guys can play in the water.
The water. You need to film me like while I'm in the water because I fall all the time. Like I'm running, I run. Yeah, we run, and then we just fall out of nowhere. Yeah, like this one time when we were at the beach, we were with our cousin. Yeah, and we were building sandcastles. Yes.
Look at St. Pete's weather thing and see what.
Okay, I'll look. But so we were building sandcastles, right? So I grab it, I grabbed the bucket, and I started running. Yeah, and I grabbed it in the water. I fall, and then I grabbed the bucket too because I was gonna go, and then I ran. I went out, and then I stepped on some sand sandbar, and there was a sandbar. Yeah, and I just face planted, but the water was holding me back, so I was like, ah! I almost fell. I like tripped on something. Then I went up, and then like I just fell on the sandbar. Hey, it's Brittaney. No, she's going down to my mom. So where's Kimberly? Going with her. Oh, that's why I left.
For a couple minutes. Say what you have to say, Lexi.
Talk. Bentley, talk to them.
Up your lap.
So Lexi, talk about what you're gonna do at the beach. What are you gonna do at the beach?
And then it changes.
Bentley, tell them what you're gonna do at the beach.
We're going to do a vlog at the beach.
Show them your new teeth. Nice, but what? I understand.
All over. So we got to the beach and there's like nobody here. And I called my friend who lives here and she said the red tide's still here. I haven't heard about it in a while, so I didn't think that was still going on. Kids are playing. What are you guys playing? Here, Bentley. Here, Lexi, hold it. Point it at me. I mean, are you paying attention? All right. Point it, Bentley. You guys having fun? What are you supposed to do?
You're supposed to hit your girl. Let's see who wins. I just win. I won. You just won.
Are those new bottoms?
Those are bad.
Oh, yeah?
No! Let's go. And there's some over there at mine. My feet hurt. The sand is so freaking hot. It's hot. It's so hot. But there's that toe here. Oh, look, she got one.
I'm gonna go walk out to the pool real quick. I mean, not the pool, the ocean. Hey, can you guys go outside to the ocean?
Yeah.
Just walk to it.
Yeah.
Why they're not paying attention to me.
Freedom!
You're the worst. You coming?
He's getting in the water.
So I haven't taken my clothes off yet, but there's a red tide here supposedly. You see any dead fish? It is so hot though. I am dying. Is that a crab? There's a crab.
Hi.
Is it dead?
I don't know. Yeah. It's them.
It smells, guys. I don't think we should be in here. Don't get more than your feet in. It's dead.
The water.
I know, but it's diseases.
I'm trying to beat the water. I'm leaving this now, and
so much better down here though, because the breeze. Feels so much better down here. Ew, stop. There's tons of,
What?
look, there's another dead car. Alright, there's so much sand in my car and it, like, look at my console. What? What, Linda's?
I'm not.
There's so much sand in my car.
Because there's sand in the car.
I know, there's so much sand in
Why
here.
don't you put it up on the thing where you can like have it on battery?
I don't have a thing for that. But yeah, so I'm sweating. I'm waiting for my mom to get in here. Kids, get in your car seat so I can buckle you up. We gotta go. And then we're gonna go swim at my friend's pool.
Of course you can. I got
And yeah,
that for
and
you.
I have to hold up right now. I have to tell you stuff. So,
I'm so hot. I'm gonna jump in this pool when we get there. Are you gonna jump in the pool? I'm gonna jump in the pool. Where is she? Can you guys get in your seat, please, so when she gets in here, we can go? Like, there's sand on the back of my thighs and it's hurting on my seats. I'm gonna turn my AC seat on, actually, though. Look at all the love bugs on my car. Everywhere. They died. Get in. Get in. Get in. I hate when they get on me. Oh. It's Sunday afternoon. It's 11:30. I forgot to vlog after we left the beach. We went to my friend's house, swam in her pool, and then drove home, and kids were tired, everybody was tired. We left at like 5, got home at 7. So now, Bentley got a bunch of bullets for his birthday. Show your dad.
Look at those bullets. How many bullets you got in there?
What in there?
Mom didn't know this clip goes to a gun though.
I didn't know that. I thought it was just a holder.
I thought it was a bullet holder.
I was like, hey, look at all those bullets.
Where's your canary? How would you know? How do you know?
Shoot me.
You don't know.
Oh, that, you can,
Good Lord.
This is where the canary is.
you could have knocked somebody out with that. We are going to end the vlog. The weekend vlog.
And hopefully we'll be filming this week for our dance stuff. Hopefully.
Hopefully. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and hit the hay.
Got a book.
Did you have a good weekend? Did you have a good week? Did you have a good birthday, Bentley? Did you have a good weekend, Lexi?
No.
Why? She's a negative Nancy sometimes. Just ignore her. Yeah, but like I said, we're gonna go to sleep. I'm going to read them a book. It is a little bit past our bedtime. It's 9:30, and yeah, Dan's already passed out. He had a long day. He's in bed.